Do you want to install Puff Game but don't know how to do it? Well, here is a step-by-step guide to do it. Well, the first thing we have to do is if you have a PC, you go to Google, put on Puff Game, and here you will have, okay, well, to download, if we go to the home page, okay, you go to download, and here you can download, okay, as we see, he's already downloaded the file. And if you are on a mobile phone, you can download it through the Play Store or App Store. Well, the next thing, okay, let's get ready. Exe, we give the SI permissions, okay, and here we would have enough to be able to install the boot game. Here you put the language, okay, you put the language, we give it to the next one. Here you have to put the A where the folder where book game will be installed. And if you want, you can put this and you have to select. Okay, the terms and services, we give it to next, and here we give it next again, and we accept and install. Okay, well, here we would already have, okay, downloading book game. And if you are on a mobile, you can install it through the App Store and Play Store. Goodbye.